Hi, my name is Carrie and I am here with colored contacts, trying on the Enhance Tint lenses. I'm currently wearing the Aqua lenses and I have to tell you guys they feel really great, and by that I mean I can't really feel them at all. Something I really love about the lenses is that they are full coverage. There isn't going to be any gap between your eye color and the contact lens. And something important about these lenses is there is no obstruction of vision. I can see perfectly fine. I think they enhance the color enough to where it looks natural and you can wear them every day and really pull it off. I personally love these Enhanced Tint lenses. I can use them for everyday wear, but also use them for my fun body paint looks and special effect looks. Our eyes are very important, so make sure you're properly cleaning and taking care of your lenses and your eyes. When inserting the contact lenses, there are a couple different ways you could do this, but what I do is I take the lens out, making sure it is flipped in the correct direction. I put it on my middle finger and then take my ring finger to pull down my skin, and I will insert the lens. It definitely takes a little bit of practice before becoming a pro.